This is Vantage and the mighty Columbia River, crossing it on I-90. It's 98 degrees outside. Just stopped, let the kid in the water, and listen to all the trucks get a run at this hill. It's a very famous, brutal, grueling, just goes and goes and goes and goes kind of grade. This bridge here is famous for always being covered with whatever's in season. Potatoes, corn, apples, whatever's in season, because the wind just comes screaming through there crossways. Right now it's hay. You gotta wonder when you look at these sometimes beat up old farm trucks hauling hay, how many of them are gonna make it up the pass? Or is Vantage going to claim another? If you like American trucks, Vantage is a great place for truck watching. It is a constant stream in both directions, highlighted by this brutal scenery. What do you think about the Columbia River, Shay?
River?
Columbia River.
What? What happened?
What do you mean, what happened?
Woohoo! Hey, play me water, Daddy.
Playing in the water?
Let's go see him. Look at him.
Take your hand.
Let's go.
I have to work so hard to climb the hill. He's already downshifting. Many of these pickups are working harder than the semis.